Deadpool Vs Nature.
Here is the barren plains of Finland, where the mama bear is drinking in a pool. Oh dear, he's fallen in. Who's jamming the signal?
1,000 years later.
That's 10 million.
Oh yeah.
Here is the boar.
Get out of here, old man.
Oh.
I do the voiceover from now on.
Oh.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Deadpool Documentaries. I'm Deadpool, and today we're gonna be learning about... Oh, I'm just gonna adjust the camera. Oh, what's that? Aha, I got it. Oh no, a boar! A boar! Aboard, 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 aboard! David Attenborough made this presenting thing look so easy. Let's take a snack. Here you go, little guy.
Jump on this.
Paris, the city of love. What an excellent battleground for me to beat up this boar.
Don't miss this